This is the amount of sugar that's in one 12-ounce can of soda. Anywhere from 35 to 39 grams of sugar, which is 9 teaspoons of sugar. Now the sugar that's in the soda is not just plain old sugar like this one, it's high fructose corn syrup. And high fructose corn syrup is the cheapest form of sugar out there, and most of it is made from GMO corn. Now I'm not going to go into GMOs in this video, but in summary, none of this is good for you. Hello everyone, this is Jag, short for Jag Meat. In this video, I'm going to cover all natural and healthy way to make soda. Now summer is upon us and all of us are craving those cold carbonated sugary drinks. However, an average human should only consume about 32 grams of sugar in a day. So all the soda that's out there on the grocery shelves, they're all above the recommended daily intake of sugar. Now the recommended daily intake doesn't mean you should consume any kind of sugar. Not all sugars are created equal. You should always consume sugar derived from natural sources such as fruits and honey, which is what I'm going to be using in this video. So let's get started.
Number 1. Honey ginger soda. To make this drink, get a couple of inches of peeled fresh ginger. Grate the ginger in a plate or a bowl. Transfer the grated ginger to a strainer. Squeeze the ginger to extract the juice. Get a quarter cup of water in glass. Add a tablespoon of honey to the water and mix the honey well. After mixing the honey, add 1 tablespoon of ginger juice to the glass. Get a bottle of sparkling mineral water without any added sugar. Add the sparkling water to the glass, top with some ice cubes, and the sparkling honey ginger soda is ready. It's a soda that's actually healthy for you. Next, pineapple soda. To make this drink, add cut pineapple to the blender. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and blend the mixture well. Add few leaves of fresh mint and then add sparkling water of your choice without any added sugar. Add a tablespoon of ginger juice and stir the mixture. Add lemon to the rim of the glass. Place the glass face down on a plate containing salt to create a layer of salt all around the rim of the glass. Pour the sparkling pineapple soda in the glass and add some ice. Top with some pineapple and fruits of your choice. The pineapple soda is ready with the sweetness and kick of the pineapple. This soda contains all natural and real ingredients. Next, berry soda. Add fresh raspberries and blackberries to the glass. Smash the berries well to extract the juice. Add a tablespoon of honey to the glass and then add sparkling water. Top the soda with some fresh berries. The fresh berry soda is ready. This soda contains a real flavor of berries without any artificial ingredients. Next, grape soda. You can make the grape soda with the same technique. Mash the grapes in a glass and extract the juice. Leave the pulp for texture. Add a tablespoon of honey and then add sparkling water. The refreshing and sparkling grape soda is ready. You can use wine grapes to make your soda taste a little bit more like wine. None of these sodas contain flavoring, artificial ingredients, high fructose corn syrup, or refined sugar.
I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have all natural and healthy soda this summer. I also made a video about 5 healthy drinks you can have in summer as well. In that video I mentioned these sodas plus also some other healthy summer drinks. So check that video out if you're interested and I'll see you in another video.